Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to stop ChatGPT from storing your data. So if you want to stop ChatGPT from storing your data, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is you have to open your browser and go to ChatGPT's website, which is chatgpt.com. Then once you log in your account, then you should have something like this, like homepage. Then tap on the two-line icon at the left top corner of the screen. Tap on it. Then tap on your profile name, then tap on your settings, then tap on the personalization. Then right here, there's an option here which is called memory under custom instruction. So we have an option called memory. So for you to be able to stop ChatGPT from storing or carrying your data, because right now, if you want to check, for example, now you want to check the list and couple of information that have been stored by ChatGPT, which is your information. Just click on manage history. Then right here you can see the available data that ChatGPT has been stored from me. So for you to be able to stop ChatGPT from storing your data, just make sure you turn off this memory. Turn it off. Then once this memory option is turned off, that means you've turned off the ability of ChatGPT to store your information into its memory. You understand? So once this is off, then you've automatically stopped ChatGPT from storing your data or your information, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.